remember, keep those knees bent, tummy nice and tight. You're going to use your abs a lot here. Shoulders are back and down. We're going to go side, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alrighty, take it double time. Now we're going to swing them side to side. Up, 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 up. Good, now bring them down, up in front. Up, shoulders back and down. Keep the abs tight. So you want to keep the body solid. I don't want to see this. Keep those abs in. Good. Singles. Now we're going to alternate them front and side. Yeah. Just up to shoulder height. And just walk out. Now you're going to keep those knees bent. Pitch that body forward. Remember, from the hips. Hands are here. Shoulders are back and down. We're trying to keep our chest out. Neck nice and long. You're going to push back, down, back, down, back, down, back, back. Take them as high as you can manage. Singles. You can keep your bumps fairly small. Trust me, gravity's working on those muscles. Good, now keep them high. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. Now we're going to keep those elbows now at right angles. So you can hold your thumb on the top if it helps. Elbows are tucked in. Ready? Now we're going to take them out to shoulder height. So we go up, down, up, down, up, up. Ready, those doubles. Good, now keep them up. Turn, forward, turn, forward. Now try to keep your elbows in line with the shoulder. 3, 2. Now we're going to take it into pectic. So it comes in, out, in, out, in, in. Don't let those elbows sink. Singles. They should start to get heavy round about now. Good, now we're going to take them up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 4 more. Single. Now we're gonna bring those elbows back. Now remember to pitch that body forward again. Elbows are high, palms are facing in. Keep them up. 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 Good, now double time. Keep them high, try not to swing from the shoulder. It's just the elbow moving. Good. Now we're going to twist them out. So they go out, in, out, in. Careful not to hit yourself in the chin. Done that a couple of times. Out, out, single. Walk it out, punch. Now we're gonna punch those arms. Now we're gonna take it to a double, but we're gonna turn, 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 turn. Pilates, take it forward. Good. Okay. Now we're going to work some biceps. So bring your hands to your side. Again, shoulders are back. We go. Bicep. We're going to stay here. Keep moving. Last 8 here. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now elbows back. We go back, up, back, up, back, up, back, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold them high. We push them up. 8 more. 6, 5, 4, 3. Now we're going to take it into a twist. So it goes back, back. So one is a bicep, one is a tricep. You want to make sure it's behind you. Good. Now hold it here. Push, 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 push. Good, now either side. Take it as high as you can. Ready, back to bicep. Elbows back and up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back. Hold it here, push, push. Good, now twist it out. Twist, 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 twist. Last it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Now we're going to go into knees up. We're going to take those arms up to the top. Ready. So we're going to go up, 2. Now we're going to take them under, out to the sides, palms to the back. So keep those shoulders back. Ready, now we're going to pull it back. So it's elbows to the Bodies pitch forward. Remember, we're trying to aim for the triceps. So triceps face the ceiling. Good, now arms stay up. Elbow. Elbow. Now keep that body pitch forward. The movement's only from the elbow. Good. Singles. That body forward, elbows to the ceiling. Good, now back to knees up. Now take them under. Good, now pull it back. Pitch that body forward. So you should be at this angle. Good. Now hold them high. Side. Singles. Good. Nice. Now this one's a bit slow. This one's gonna hurt by the end. So shoulders are back, keep those abs pulled in. We're gonna hold, up. Now turn them down. Keep the elbows very slightly bent. Turn those palms up. Last set, turn them back in. Ready. Now we're gonna go back. 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Back. 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Back. 2, 3, hold. Front. 2, 3, hold. Now back. 2, 3. Now hold it here. We're gonna hold it as high as you can. Turn the palm up. Chest out, shoulders back. Ready, just tiny pulses here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ready, now we're gonna go wide. Now hold them in. Kind of like airplane arms. Keep them high though. Turn that palm up, up, up. Now tiny pulses here. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready. Now we're gonna go up, hold, down. Push them back. Up, 2, 3, hold, down. Great. Up. Hold. Down. Back. Up. Hold. 2 more of these. Back. Last one. Up. Now hold them here. Good. Now turn them out. Keep those abs tight. Tiny bit lower. Neck is long. Shoulders are down. It should start to burn a little bit lower. Ready in line with the shoulders. Keep those shoulders back. Now turn them in. Turn. Up. Good. Now bend them in. In. They might not want to listen. In. 3, 2. Now hold them in, turn those palms, elbows down. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. And take them down. Shoulders back. Good. Now we just go up, 2, 3, 4, open. Up, down, front, hold, and bring it down. Shake them out. Good. Last one's a bit quicker. Roll the shoulders back. Ready? Now we're going to take it into an X. So it goes up, back, up, back, up, back, up, 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 up. Now we're going to jog. Those knees. Remember to pump those arms. We've got 2 more sets here. Lift those knees. Ready? Arms are going up and up. So we go up, out, up, out, up, out, up, out, up, 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 then out and down, out, 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 jog. Lift those knees, pump the arms. Keep it going. High. Good. Now we put those 2 together. So it's up, out, down, out, up, out, down, out, up, out, down, out, up, out, down. Jog. Good. Bring it down. And walk it out. And we're just going to turn out, in, out, in, out, in, and out. We're going to put these down and let's go do some cardio.